Hi all, this is Abhay Mahajan and I welcome you all to this series called United by Mathematics. We are discussing one previous year AIME 2019 question, which is an elegant one. The question says find the number of 7 tuples of positive integers A, B, C, D, E, F, G which satisfy this system of equations. The system is ABC is 70, CDE is 71 and EFG is 72. Now this question may look tricky at first go, but one simple observation, the fact that 71 is a prime number, this will help us break down the problem. So since 71 is a prime number, we will take this particular equation first. So CDE is 71. Now 71 is a prime number and these are all positive integers. So there are only limited options to solve this one. So CD is 71. So this can be broken as 1 into 1 into 71. And of course 1 into 71 into 1 and 71 into 1 into 1. So these are the only 3 possible ways in which this prime number can be broken down as a product of 3 factors. Now what do we have? Let us look at the other 2 equations. The fact that ABC is equal to 70, that means C is a factor. C is a factor of 70. And this helps us eliminate this particular option. C cannot be 71 because C is a factor of 70. And also, since EFG is 72, that means E is a factor. E is a factor of 72. And since E is a factor of 72, it will help us in eliminating this particular thing. So that means we're left with only one thing. So this is something which is constant. That means from the second equation, it is fixed that C has to be 1, D has to be 71, and E has to be equal to 1. So these are 3 things which we found out using the second equation. And let us see how do we find the other things. Now 3 things are fixed. So if C is equal to 1, can I say from the first equation we have AB is equal to 70. And likewise, since E is also equal to 1, from the third equation we have F into G is equal to 72. And we need to find the total number of equations of this, total number of solutions of this equation, the total number of solutions of this equation, and let us see how many 7 tuples do we get. Now since A into B is 70, that means A is a factor of 70. Now if A is any factor of 70, automatically the B gets fixed. So we need to figure out how many factors of 70 are there. So A into B, if 70 can be broken down into prime factorization, it will be 2 into 5 into 7. And since they all have the powers 1, I can say the number of factors will be 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. So that means A has 8 particular values which can be put. So this 70 has 8 factors. So A can have 8 values and correspondingly the number of values for B will be exactly 1. So AB can be chosen in 8 ways. Likewise, if we look at this particular equation, FG is 72, we need to figure out the total number of factors of 72. For that, we need to reduce 72 into its prime factorizations. It will be 2 cube into 3 square. 2 cube into 3 square. So this is what 72 is. So since it is 2 cube and 3 square, so total number of factors will be 3 plus 1 into 2 plus 1. So that means it will be 4 into 3. That means 12. So 72 has 12 factors. That means F can be chosen in 12 ways, and corresponding to every value of F, there will be exactly one value of G. So F into G in total can be chosen in exactly 12 ways. So right, what do we have? So AB can be chosen in overall 8 ways. F and G can be chosen in 12 ways, and we have 3 numbers which are fixed. That means C, D and E are fixed. So total number of 7 tuples satisfying this system would be 1 into 8 into 12, and the answer is 96. So the answer is 96. I hope you've enjoyed the solution. Keep learning.